Hey, what's going on, world? It's Raphael Sol here with your morning motivation. Today I really want to talk about dreams. You know, when I was a child, I had like some of the most fantastic, the most crazy dreams. I always believed I could fly or run super fast. Maybe I watched too much movies, I don't even know. But I had the most amazing dreams. But then you know what would happen? I'd wake up. And my reality wouldn't accord with my dreams. And then the same thing happens with us in our everyday lives. We allow our reality to invalidate our dreams, our present circumstances. We give them the power to tell us that the things we dream, that the things we believe are impossible. Today, here's your challenge. I want you to look at the things that are discouraging you from being able to accomplish your dreams and say to them straight up, my dreams are possible, my dreams are valid, and I'm willing to do what it takes to make them a reality. So here's the thing, from today, believe your dreams above and beyond everything else. So with all the negativity in the world, you know you need a positive influence in your life. Here's the challenge. Like the video, share it with a friend, and let's stay committed to being forever greater. God bless you.